to the grade 1 science experiment. Today we'll be doing an experiment, and what will that experiment be?
We will learn about working water science experiment.
Ooh, that sounds like fun. Okay, and what are we going to learn about today?
Of water in plants.
Capillary action of water in plants. Very good. Okay, so the materials we'll be using for this experiment are?
Food color. Water. Paper.
Cups and spoons. Okay, so today we'll be using 6 colours, and the colours we have are?
Purple, blue, green, yellow, orange, red.
Okay, very good. Okay, let's do it! First we will get 3 pieces of paper, fold in half again, and once more. That's it. Okay, so we're going to need 5 of these, okay? 5. Alright, your turn. Okay, so next we have 6 cups, and we will fill them up about a quarter full of water. Okay, next step is to put the water into the cups. Good job. Okay, the next step we'll be adding a few drops of food colour to a spoon and mix it with the water. Okay, so here we go. Okay, so what colours do we have again?
Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple.
And they are the same colours as?
Yellow.
Very good. Okay, so the last step is we take our piece of paper and insert it into the cups. Where all the colours have come up to the middle and met. So today we have learned about paper is made from cellulose, which is the same as stems in plants. Yes, that's correct. And capillary action is how water moves in plants. It moves up through the spaces. Was that fun today?
Yes.
Okay, thank you very much for our science experiment. Bye.
Bye. Bye. Bye.